If the holidays sneak up on your wallet every year, you're not alone. This season, let's flip the script with a simple plan you can actually follow, so you give generously without throwing your budget off course. Today, we're walking through 8 smart moves from Western and Southern's holiday budgeting guide. Start by setting a real spending limit. Look at your take-home pay for November and December, subtract essential bills, and designate what's left for gifts and gatherings. If the math feels tight, trim the list, choose lower-cost options, or suggest a Secret Santa. The goal is a number you can live with before you start shopping. It's easy to feel pressure to match big-ticket gifts. Keep your financial goals front and center, and remember, more thoughtful beats expensive. Define a per-person cap and stick to it. Don't wait for one big weekend. Yes, Black Friday and Cyber Monday matter, but many retailers run markdowns and online pop-ups throughout the season. Do a quick price scan and watch shipping thresholds. Small moves can add up. Convenience and savings both favor early birds. For now or future years, start before December to give yourself more time to find deals and avoid crowds. Then ask yourself, what can I buy now to avoid crunch time premiums later? If a single month's spending feels heavy, spread it out. Automate a small transfer into a holiday savings bucket each paycheck so December doesn't compete with everyday bills or long-term goals. As you shop, track every purchase in a quick spreadsheet or app and subtract from your limit. Real-time tracking helps you adjust before January's credit card bill arrives. A heartfelt homemade gift or experience can mean more than something store-bought. Bake, craft, frame photos, or gift an afternoon of help. If you host, consider a potluck, appetizers-only menu, or even a group volunteer event to shift the focus from spending to connection. If, after trimming, the numbers still don't work, consider a temporary side gig, babysit, rideshare, selling items you no longer use, or short freelance projects. A brief boost now can help you finish strong without derailing your regular budget. A clear limit, early planning, smart deal hunting, and a few creative swaps can keep the season joyful and your finances on track. For more practical personal finance guidance from Western and Southern, visit westernsouthern.com and explore our personal finance library.